Hi there, I'm here to make technology more understandable and a little less scary. This is Tech Tips with Taylor. If you're a Windows user like me, and you've been around since Windows 7 or prior, the appearance of the notifications tray probably comes as a surprise. This speech bubble, located at the bottom right of your Windows 10 desktop, opens a tray when clicked. Notifications that show in this tray are called toast notifications. Two different sources are able to inject notifications into this system, both from Microsoft themselves and from your web browser of choice. Like the vampire, toast notifications must secure your consent before they are allowed to enter your home, but be warned, once inside, they are free to prey on you just the same. I manage an IT help desk for my day job, and not a week goes by that I don't see a phishing attempt against one of my users via way of a malicious toast notification. The easiest way to spot a fake is to look for faded gray text at the bottom of the notification. If you see something that looks like a website address, they are attempting to con you. Most often, the fraudulent toast notifications that I respond to are claiming to either represent an antivirus company or a hacker. Fake notifications pretending to be a hacker will falsely claim that your system has been breached, encrypted, or that you are the victim of ransomware. No matter how scary the threat, you must remain calm until the notification has been analyzed. The same as before, look for faded gray text at the bottom of the notification. If it looks like a website address, the threat is completely empty. To close this episode out, we're going to take a look at how to stop websites in their tracks, blocking these notifications at the browser so they never make it to your system. I'll cover Google Chrome, Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. Feel free to skip ahead to your browser of choice. First, open up Google Chrome, and then click the icon at the top right, which looks like 3 vertically stacked dots. That's your settings menu. With that open, select Settings from the options listed. Now move your cursor to the top left of the screen and select the button which looks like 3 vertically stacked lines. It will be next to the word Settings. From this settings menu, select Privacy and Security. We're almost there. From the Privacy and Security menu, find the button called Site Settings and click that. Find the section of the page called Permissions. You will need to open up each of these permissions: Location, Camera, Microphone, and Notifications. For each, delete any entries you find inside. Finally, make sure the toggle switch for each type of permission is set to On for Ask Before Allowing. Without this on, you are wide open to any site that wants to spam you. To begin, open Firefox. Move your cursor to the top right of the screen and click the button that looks like 3 vertically stacked lines. That's your settings menu. From the options on this menu, choose the word Options, which is represented by the gear icon. From the left-hand navigation column, next choose Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the section labeled Permissions. Here you have a few types of permissions to lock down. Choose the Settings button in turn for Location, Camera, Microphone, and Notifications. For each, make sure to delete any permissions you already see allowed, and then to make sure to check the box that blocks new requests for asking for that access. And that's it. You're all set. First, open Microsoft Edge. Your Settings button is up at the very top right of your screen. It looks like 3 dots lined up horizontally. From the options in this menu, choose the word Settings. It can be found near the bottom and is represented by the symbol of a gear. Now move your mouse to the top left of your screen and click the button that looks like 3 lines stacked on top of each other. This can be found to the left of the word Settings in that corner. From this menu, choose the option called Cookies and Site Permissions. You'll want to take a look at every option on the Site Permissions section of this page. For each option, click it to open and then make sure to delete any permissions you find within. Finally, for each option, make sure the toggle switch is set to On for Ask Before Allowing. Without this turned on, you can be sent notifications from anyone. 3, 2, 1. Hi there. I'm